So, hello guys!
Guys, so dahil na kami mag-mass. And uli namin kay pasikat man. And I'm so thankful for this place, the Dominican House of Prayer, for teaching
Iya man, idlag.
Gabi pa ni siya. Teaching us volleyball lessons that we can
Hello.
later on apply sa real life, ay sa life namin. And like this place will hold like will a special place in my heart. I love you, guys. I'm really thankful, guys. And now we're going to show them.
Hi!
Pwede ka mag-go sa kitchen. Look at the shrimp.
Shrimp! So, hello! Here's our first table! Hi! Ayan, nag-eat na sila. Say hello, guys! Hi! The second table! Hi! What do you have there? Wow! Okay. Now our third table! So here's our fourth table. Hi guys! Sige, ang pag-hi. Nagana ba mag-noun dire? Charot. So hi, ako ning table, pero niya na. Hala, over naman.
Karap!
Hi, our last table. Hi! Grabe, mga nonchalant. Mayroon magwili mga nom diri. Oh, sorry! Yay! Si Kwan, saan na siya? Sinayin ako. Hi, Jam! Hi! What do you have there? Wow!
Isda, may bawal og shrimp.
Oh, they shrimp. Bawal sa shrimp. And here's the VIP table. Hello, say hello po. Hi, thank you. Thank you, Sir Bobby. Thank you, Sir Dave. Retreat Enod!